Unlock the hidden potential of your real estate portfolio by mastering how to find coveted mixed-use properties. Let's dive into Propstream and pinpoint these versatile investments first. Log into your Propstream account, where we'll begin our focused search. In the main search bar, simply type mixed use and press enter. This action initiates a powerful filtering process, preparing Propstream to identify properties that fit our specific criteria. Now, you'll see a broad range of properties to refine this list and isolate only mixed-use opportunities. We need to utilize the zoning filter. Locate the zoning filter option on your screen. Click on the zoning filter and then select mixed use. From the available options, this crucial step tells Propstream to exclusively show you properties zoned for both residential and commercial purposes, opening doors to diverse income streams. With the filter applied, you'll notice a significantly more focused set of results. Each property displayed now meets our mixed-use requirement, perfect for investors looking for versatile real estate. Switch to the map view to visually identify high-potential areas and understand the geographical distribution of these valuable properties. You can then click on individual pins to get a quick overview of each listing. For each property, delve into the details to understand its specific zoning allowance, current use, and potential for development or rental income. This provides the foundational data you need for informed investment decisions. Finding mixed-use properties with Propstream is a straightforward yet powerful strategy for any real estate investor aiming for diverse income and exciting development possibilities. Start leveraging this knowledge today and elevate your real estate investment game.